Well, good morning, folks. Big Daddy here. It's that time of the year again. I'm gonna get some stuff ready and put away for the winter. Gonna pump up tires on Dixie, take her to the back shed and put her in there where I had that stuff that I took over to Golden Motors. I'll throw this toolbox away because I don't need it anymore. It's just kind of rusty. And that tailgate, scrap that. Make sure there's enough boards under that snowmobile so the track doesn't rot. And so I'm gonna pull out that Craftsman lawnmower, and I gotta pump up the front tire first. I'm gonna try to make some room in that shed up there in front of that. So I'm put Dixie in there. Might have to support the roof again. I don't know how many more years it'll last, but just gonna get by. Okay, well, let's look inside here and see what we can do. Might have to get a flashlight so I can see. I don't need that table in there with that lawnmower on top. I was always gonna fix that lawnmower, but I think it's just, might as well just get rid of it. I've been sitting back here for a few years. I got it for free. And the deck is good, but the motor shot. So that green lawnmower there, I'm keeping that. That's the Fairbanks right there. That's the one we use. So I'm gonna get a light, some gloves, and sort out a few things here, and we'll dispose of them. Then I gotta find a gas cap for Wally, so he can put on his chains. So inside here I got the push lawnmower, then the Dixie chopper, then another push lawnmower, then the tiller. Then I got the weed whacker thing that I need to fix sometime. Then I got the Craftsman lawnmower. And back over yonder there I got the other two push lawnmowers. I got 3 snow blowers in here, a tiller, 2 ride lawnmowers, a go-kart. I don't know what else. Air compressor or something else. So sometime in the future I'll have to get the snow blowers out and get them right. And put that snow plow on the 4-wheeler. So I was looking inside and this pizza tarp is starting to crack inside too. Might have to get another one and put it. I got another tarp, but it's such a pain in the butt to put all these little grommets in there and then they rip out. So if I just buy a heavy tarp at Mills Fleet or something, and then put that tarp over top of these 2 tarps. You can see the middle tarp ripped out. Now you can start to see daylight through the other tarp. See if they got a decent sized tarp that already has the grounds in, a heavy one I can put over top of it. Mom's carport, the whole thing blew right off, so we're gonna buy a new top for that. But the walls aren't the greatest on here, but it does help better than nothing for the old Danger Ranger. So I think I'll see what they have at Mills Fleet tomorrow. What do you guys use? I know Harvey Spooner has a lot of problems with his tarp sheds, so I don't know what. If you guys have any tarp sheds that we don't know about, but let me down below.